You see young people servicing the monks, see? Look at the young boys before they go to school. They carry everything for the monks and they escort the monks back. Look at this. Imagine if our kids can do this. Imagine if our kids grew up doing this. Look at the kid with a handphone and carrying the monks. Fine. Technology and spirituality, look. Imagine if our kids in Malaysia or anywhere in the world grew up with this system of giving, not taking, of sharing, of showing respect, of showing good body language. Imagine when they grow up how different it would be. That's why when spirituality is given to our children, they grow up different. When spirituality is not given to our children, they grow up with a lot of materialism, a lot of attachment. If you have kids, you should bring your kids here on vacation and have them experience this. Wake up and do it.